want to change how you feel about yourself. So why won't you change, or why won't you reconnect with your inner child? Inner child work is working with the part of your mind that registers all of your subconscious beliefs about yourself, about people, about world, relationships. So if something doesn't work in your life, if you observe some patterns in your life that are actually making you unhappy, or you know they're unhealthy, and you know why you have them, knowing why you have them and knowing that it's not working, it's hurting, it's one thing. But actually, then from knowing to changing, there's another step that you need to actually take. And that is, when you know something isn't working for you in your life, you actually then need to take another step to do and to change something about it. And the problem is, majority of you are very much self-aware. You know, maybe you're struggling with people pleasing. Maybe you're struggling with being perfectionist. Maybe you're afraid of rejection, abandonment. Maybe you prefer to keep yourself at distance from people, and you don't really form meaningful, close, emotional relationships. Majority of you is aware of that. But that's the end of how far your self-awareness is going. Self-awareness is not just enough. Self-awareness is just the first step for you to change something. You can't change anything if you're not aware of it. But self-awareness itself won't fix your problem, won't change how you perceive yourself and how you see and how you see other people and how you form relationships. If you see yourself in behaviors like people pleasing, perfectionist, fear of abandonment, being avoidant, struggling with low self-esteem, low mood, maybe even anxiety, social anxiety, all of this has a root somewhere else. You might be aware of your situation, you might be aware of how you feel and how you behave, and you might understand even why you have such patterns. But that itself, that knowledge itself, won't actually make you change. You have to make another step to actually change how you feel and how you behave and how you think about yourself. And this is where I invite you to reconnect with your inner child, because inner child work is most important work anyone can do on themselves. This is the part of your subconscious mind where all your beliefs, your experiences, your feelings, your understanding of yourself and world around you is being programmed. If this program has some unhealthy beliefs that is being there, if there is fear, your perception of yourself will be distorted. And again, just because you might be aware of it, that itself won't change anything in your life. So the Inner Child workshop that I'm running on the 22nd of February is in person. It's only €85. It's full day workshop where you will be able to reconnect with your inner child, revisit your own self and your feelings, but in a very safe way. Number one, it's a group settings, but I won't ever ask any one of you to share any personal stuff. I know what I'm doing, and I know how to help you reconnect with that part of yourself without you needing to tell me all of your details. You'll get tools as well to help you and to move you forward with that workshop. So that workshop will be working in you for the next couple of weeks, if not months. I'm really loving doing the workshop. It's amazing. It's very powerful. It's just a great way to reconnect with yourself. The group itself has huge power in itself because it allows you to see you're not alone. Part of your childhood experiences, part of childhood trauma is self-isolation. So reconnecting with yourself and seeing that there's loads of other people like you who might be struggling, who might have some kind of issues, who might want to heal. These workshops are really for like-minded people who really want to change and to feel better about themselves. The group settings, it's not something that you should be fearing. It's something about that you should be excited about. Another thing about the workshops, why they are so special, is that I won't ask you to share anything, but we will be I will give you a little bit of theory, but we mainly will be doing loads of different exercises to help you reconnect, to help you understand yourself. And we will be using different objects to do that, to help you with it. As I said, the inner child is part of your subconscious mind, where the first language of your subconscious mind is objects and its images. And this is why I'm going to use those as a language of your inner child to help you reconnect with yourself. So if this is something that you would like to sign up for, please either message me or you can go to the bio and you will find the link in there for the workshop. Places are limited, so if you want to do it now. It will be amazing experience for all of you, and always been. You can actually check testimonials on the website or on my Instagram page. I keep sharing the testimonials from the previous participants. It's actually really amazing workshop.